as the Ukrainian army struggled to deter Russian tank, bomber, helicopter, and missile attacks. President Zelensky appealed to Washington for anti-armor and anti-aircraft systems, as well as additional weaponry, to protect his country. On the other hand, in order to avoid a direct clash with Russia, Washington has been in talks with other countries about the deployment of military systems in Ukraine. The US has been in talks with the Turkish government about sending advanced Russian-made S-400 anti-aircraft weapons to Ukraine. Washington is also urging other countries to deploy S-300 and S-400 missile systems to Ukrainian military to resist Russian forces' fierce attacks. Notably, Turkey signed a defense agreement with Russia in 2017 to purchase S-400 missile defense systems worth $2.5 billion. Despite warnings from the US and other NATO partners, Turkey accepted the first of 4 missile batteries in July 2019. A week later, the United States dropped Turkey from the F-35 program, America's most expensive weapons platform. The Trump administration sanctioned Turkey for its multi-billion-dollar purchase of a Russian missile system, because the S-400 system is said to be a threat to NATO and the F-35. Turkey is in a difficult position as a result of Washington's recent request to supply Ukraine with Russian S-400 anti-aircraft systems, since the latter seeks to purchase American fighter planes while simultaneously challenging its ally, Moscow, by delivering powerful Russian missile systems to Kyiv. After the dissolution of the Soviet Union, relations between the two countries strengthened. On May 25, 1992, Turkish Prime Minister Süleyman Demirel visited Moscow and signed a treaty between Russia and Turkey. Both countries share extensive economic and cultural links, and have made persistent steps to improve diplomatic relations, frequently to the displeasure of Turkey's Western partners. However, the relationship between Turkey and Russia is complicated in many ways. Turkey and Russia are fierce competitors. Moscow and Ankara support opposite camps in Libya, Syria, and Nagorno-Karabakh. And Turkey is a member of NATO, which Russia regards as both an adversary and a threat. On November 24, 2015, just weeks after Russia began its military engagement in Syria in support of President Bashar al-Assad, Turkish F-16 combat aircraft shot down a Russian Su-24 during an airspace dispute near the Turkish-Syrian border. Russian President Vladimir Putin called the incident a stab in the back by terrorist accomplices, adding that, he said, today's sad events will have serious ramifications, notably for ties between Russia and Turkey. In the current conflict between Russia and Ukraine, Turkey had already enraged Russia by barring the Black Sea entry to its warships, in order to avert an escalation of the war, after a Japanese and one of its own cargo ships were damaged by a Russian missile. And, if Ankara's supply the missile system to its neighbor, at the request of the US, it will risk its deteriorating bilateral relations with Moscow.